In the heart of the bustling megacity, concrete towers once scraped the gray, smoggy sky. But a quiet revolution began to take root within the glass walls of these giants. Scientists envisioned a future where food grew vertically, climbing toward the sun in towers. They replaced traditional soil with nutrient-rich mists, a process known as aeroponics. LED lights glowed in soft hues of violet, mimicking the perfect spectrum for plant growth. Robotic arms moved silently between rows of crisp lettuce and vibrant, sun-ripened tomatoes. Every drop of water was recycled, ensuring not a single resource went to waste. This was the dawn of urban agriculture, bringing the farm directly to the city dweller. Residents looked up at the skyscrapers, no longer seeing just offices, but living, breathing gardens. The air inside these towers felt fresher, cleaner, and filled with the scent of life. Children learned that strawberries could grow in the sky, far above the busy streets. The carbon footprint of shipping food across continents began to shrink significantly each year. Local markets flourished, selling produce harvested only minutes before being placed on the shelf. Farmers became engineers, monitoring climate sensors and data streams on their glowing tablets. They adjusted humidity and temperature with a single tap, creating perfect microclimates for crops. The city, once a concrete desert, transformed into a lush, green oasis of sustainability. People gathered in rooftop parks, surrounded by hanging vines and rows of aromatic herbs. They shared meals made from ingredients grown just floors away from their own apartments. The connection between the urban population and their food source was finally restored. Nature and technology danced in harmony, proving that progress does not require destroying the earth. The skyscrapers stood as beacons of hope, showing the world a path toward resilience. In the heat of summer, the vertical farms acted as natural cooling systems for buildings. During winter, they provided warmth and a splash of color against the cold white snow. The scientific evolution of agriculture had turned the megacity into a self-sustaining ecosystem. Waste was transformed into energy, powering the very lights that fed the hungry plants. It was a closed-loop system, a masterpiece of human ingenuity and environmental stewardship. As the sun set, the towers glowed from within, like lanterns illuminating the dark horizon. The city breathed easier, its lungs filled with the oxygen produced by millions of plants. No longer dependent on distant fields, the metropolis had secured its own food future. The success of these vertical farms inspired cities across the globe to follow suit. Architects began designing new buildings with integrated greenhouses as a standard feature. The dream of a green, edible city was no longer a fantasy, but a reality. We look toward the future, knowing that we can feed the world without harming it. The vertical harvest is a testament to our ability to adapt and thrive together. From the seeds of innovation, a new world of abundance has finally started to bloom. The skyscrapers of today are the gardens of tomorrow, standing tall for all humanity.